Okay, so I was getting a pretty bad rattle from somewhere on the bike, and it wasn't happening in neutral or in idle, and when I clutched in it was fine, but when I hit sort of 60 kilometers an hour, I just got this really bad rattle. So I narrowed it down to what I thought was the exhaust shields. They're Vance and Hines short shots. When I put my foot in them, the rattle seemed to stop, and it didn't always happen. It was more when I was on power or just off power. So I took these off. Real simple job. It's just a flat head, all flatheads, and then you just kind of have to prise them open a little bit. And then when I took them off, the exhaust nuts were very loose. Can't really get a good look in there, but the exhaust nuts were really loose going into the manifold. Not too bad on this side, and this is actually where I thought they would be looser, but it wasn't. So haven't put them on. I'll take it out for a spin. Baby's asleep at the minute, so I can't go for a spin. And hopefully that does the trick.